Okay, this is the Firebird. Come back from a little bit of body work and new floorboards. Nice. All done up. No longer a goat pen. There's the bows. Very nice. I think it's going to be time to trunk. Nice. Yep. I believe it's going to become a Camaro, unfortunately. No longer a Firebird. Yeah. Yep, this baby's ready to go. Nice.